Self love is trusting your own flow. You don't have to prove yourself, you just have to let yourself flow into the world. Like that flower, like that tree, like that nature around. They never admire other, they never prove their existence because they know that they belong on this earth, they know that they belong to their respective places. Yet you feel that you have to prove other people, you have to chase other people, or you have to chase something in your life. Instead of enjoying your life, you continue chasing things, people, or success or failure out there, and then you worry about your life, how I'm gonna live. Once you stop comparing, once you stop pleasing other people, you'll find your way, you'll find your purpose to life. And remember one thing, you belong here. You don't have to prove it to someone. You just have to live beautifully, live your purpose, and be happy about yourself. Love.